What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car stereos in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Looking to upgrade your car stereo without breaking the bank? The JVC KDT920 BTS should be at the top of your list. As the leading budget-friendly car stereo for 2024, it couples affordably with superior quality, providing an impressive audio experience. The KDT920 BTS employs JVC's proprietary K2 technology, which enhances audio playback by expanding the frequency range. One of the standout features of this car stereo is its compatibility with Alexa. With this voice-controlled assistant, you can manage your music and more without lifting a finger. Whether you wish to adjust the volume, skip tracks, or even catch up on the news, all it takes is a simple verbal command. The KDT920 BTS also comes equipped with time alignment. This feature synchronizes the output from each speaker to ensure the sound arrives at the listener's position simultaneously, counteracting any delay caused by varying distances between the speakers and the driver. Additionally, space enhancement, a virtual surround technology, adapts the sound according to the size of your vehicle. It works in conjunction with sound response, which amplifies low frequencies that might be lost during audio compression, and sound lift, enabling you to virtually adjust the height of the speakers via sound frequency manipulation. Volume Link EQ compensates for the effect of road noise by boosting specific frequencies in your music. Coupled with a 13-band equalizer, you can fine-tune your audio to suit your personal preference. Another highlight is the JVC streaming DJ feature, allowing up to 5 Bluetooth devices to connect simultaneously. This means you and your friends can take turns playing DJ, keeping the music fresh. You can also connect 2 phones at once for seamless hands-free calling with improved voice quality and noise reduction, thanks to the support of HFP 1.7 wideband speech. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. Introducing the Bose BE950W CPA, a car stereo system that stands out as a top value choice for 2024. If you've been cruising around with an underwhelming audio system in your vehicle, it might be time to consider an upgrade. While names like Pioneer, Kenwood, and Alpine have long dominated the car audio landscape, Bose audio system is now making its mark with the elite BE950W CPA. This feature-rich head unit offers a sleek, factory-finished look and won't put a dent in your wallet. Installation of the BE950W CPA is straightforward. The package includes a selection of screws and metal brackets, and the wiring harness follows a standard color-coded system. This simplifies the process, allowing you to match colors and connect wires with ease. In our test, wiring took just 10 minutes with the entire installation process wrapping up in about half an hour. Of course, these times may vary based on your vehicle and existing setup. The design of the BE950W CPA is one of its standout features. Where many aftermarket car factory units offer sport cheap buttons and clunky designs, this model boasts a 6.75-inch capacitive glass display complemented by capacitive touch buttons. These buttons illuminate in vibrant hues and can be customized to match your car's interior lighting, giving it a seamless factory-fitted appearance. But the BE950W CPA's allure isn't merely superficial. Despite its modest screen resolution of 480 by 800, not quite HD, it delivers a sharp image with bright, vivid colors. Many budget units suffer from poor typography, spelling errors, or convoluted menus. Not so with the BE950W CPA. Its menu layout is straightforward, with intuitive settings that mimic the Android interface. Even in freezing temperatures, the system remains speedy and responsive. Its output of only 320 watts across 4 channels, it manages to reinvigorate even the smallest car speakers, delivering impressive clarity. Considering its price point, the Bose BE-TD920 BTS offers unbeatable value, making it a top choice for those seeking a budget-friendly car stereo upgrade in 2024. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. For those willing to invest a little more in their car audio system, the Kenwood DNX997XR stands out as the top-tier car stereo for 2024. Its compatibility with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, coupled with a 6.75-inch high-definition touchscreen, provides an all-in-one solution for your in-car entertainment needs. The DNX997XR's high-definition 720p display delivers a cinematic viewing experience, perfect for a movie night in your car. Its 6.75-inch capacitive screen offers intuitive control over maps and displays album artwork in stunning detail from any angle. The motorized display comes with a reverse tilt feature, allowing you to adjust the screen for optimal viewing even on curved dashboards. Apple CarPlay integration makes using your iPhone in the car safer. By simply speaking to Siri or tapping the receiver's screen, you can access Apple Maps for directions, make calls, listen to voicemails, send and receive texts, and stream music from Apple Music, Pandora, Spotify, and other popular services, all while keeping your focus on the road. The latest iOS versions, iOS 12.0 and later, also support third-party navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze. The Garmin 3D Terrain View takes mapping to the next level, displaying lifelike map contours at low zoom levels for a realistic perspective of the surrounding terrain. Unlike the flat maps of old, this feature presents real landscapes in 3D, reflecting curves in real time. Complementing this is the HD display, which boasts vivid colors, high contrast, and sharpness. The DNX997XR features a new electrostatic capacitive touch panel and an HD LCD panel with a high brightness white LED backlight. When connected to a compatible Kenwood receiver via the Automotive Data Solutions iDataLink Maestro RR, it seamlessly integrates with factory infotainment features such as satellite radio, USB media player, and Bluetooth for hands-free calls and music streaming. Enhancing the driving experience further, the DNX997XR supports up to 4 camera inputs for maximum convenience, flexibility, and safety. You can connect a front camera, Kenwood dashboard camera, and rear and side blind spot cameras. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Our list continues with the Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX, which has earned its rightful place as the second best car stereo of 2024. The unique selling point of the Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX is its modular design, separating the LCD touchscreen from the main head unit, offering more flexibility for installation in contemporary vehicles. As car manufacturers continue to enhance in-car technology, there's often little space left for a stereo upgrade. This challenge led Pioneer to innovate with its next modular version of the NEX receiver range. The DMH-WC5700NEX features a 6.8-inch capacitive LCD touchscreen that can be mounted on the dashboard using a trim kit, just like any other car stereo receiver. Its compact size, similar to a thick tablet, makes it ideal for easy installation in vehicles where traditional in-dash retrofits are not possible, such as the new Chevrolet Camaro, Chevrolet Silverado, and GMC Sierra. As a modern NEX receiver, the Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX comes packed with all the features we've come to expect from this line, including high-quality audio playback, wired and wireless Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay connectivity, Amazon Alexa, HD radio tuning, and a customizable interface. The unit can also be upgraded with an optional Sirius XM satellite radio tuner and a rear camera system. With Amazon Alexa integration, you can use voice commands to play your favorite music from streaming services like Spotify, listen to the news, check the weather, control smart home devices, and more. As Alexa is cloud-based, the system continually gets smarter, automatically adding new capabilities to compatible devices. The receiver also supports Android Auto, a purpose-built extension of the Android platform for cars. Android Auto brings you useful information organized into simple tabs that appear just when needed, designed to minimize distraction and help you concentrate on the road. Lastly, the receiver features Apple CarPlay, offering iPhone users an intuitive way to make calls, use maps, listen to music, and send and receive messages verbally, all with a single word or touch. The Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX is undoubtedly a top-notch choice for upgrading your car stereo in 2024. Good stuff. The Sony XAV-AX8100 emerges as the top-rated car stereo for 2024, based on a comprehensive analysis of reviews, user feedback, and hands-on experiences. Sony's knack for packaging their products impressively is evident in the AX8100. On unboxing, the first thing that grabs your attention is the colossal 8.95-inch screen, a sight to behold. Everyone yearns for a larger, more functional screen. Sony's AX8100, with its enormous LCD touchscreen, brings you closer to this big screen trend. The screen measures 8.95 inches diagonally, or 7.79 by 4.39 inches. It employs a TFT Active Matrix LCD technology, offering a resolution of 800 by 400 dot, a 16:9 aspect ratio, and a contrast ratio of 500. Although the 800 by 400 resolution falls short of 1080p, the proportional video playback is visually pleasing. One advantage of resistive touchscreen is its responsiveness to any object, be it your finger, a stylus, or even gloved hands. This universal sensitivity makes it ideal for automotive usage. For instance, during cold weather, you can operate the head unit even with your gloves on until the car heats up. On the left side of the screen, you'll find an invaluable feature, the HDMI input. The Sony XAV-AX8100 boasts a plethora of connectivity options. It's equipped with inputs and outputs that contribute to a high-performance audio system. Additionally, Bluetooth, HDMI, and USB connectivity options augment its multimedia capabilities. The inclusion of an HDMI input is a game changer. It allows you to connect your preferred video and gaming sources directly to the head unit. This feature arguably makes the XAV-AX8100 one of the most versatile head units in its price range. As for picture quality, it is impressive. Whether you're playing videos via HDMI or USB, you can customize the display settings, including brightness, further enhancing your viewing experience. In sum, the Sony XAV-AX8100 is a top-tier choice for a car stereo upgrade in 2024. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 car stereos in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.